Hi guys, you're at Helpston level crossing Cambridgeshire with Jamie and Adam. Broken alarm. Oh, it is still broke. It reminds me of Thorpe. That reminds me of Thorpe ASCL does that. Oh, this barrier is horrible. Look, literally, look. Oh, there's a flu power barrier. Yeah, I'll have to go and have a look at that newer alarm. I don't know if that's a new alarm or not, because the face doesn't really look that new. This barrier was made on the 1st of December 1995, not 2095, ignore me. It is at the moment 10:13 on Saturday the 24th of February 2018, but I'm having a bit of trouble with the timetable. Oh, the rod's completely gone now, Jamie. And this barrier was made on the 11th of September 2002. I don't know what's wrong with that alarm though. Because it starts off a little bit like up and down.
All these yodel alarms have different tones and I think it's stuck in continuous mode.
Yeah. Well,
So
it just seemed to...
residual things on the back of them or inside them that you change, and I think one of them might have slipped somehow and turns into continuous.
You know what is weird, right? This alarm there, that alarm, that newer one, as we'll call it, looks the same age as all the other alarms. It looks a little bit pink. I'll let you go have a look. I'll look after your tripod.
Oh, I've seen it.
It just looks... It just looks like that one's quite old, even though it was only done like in 2016 or 17 or whenever. But that alarm's completely gone. We'll never get it back now. And that was the only remaining evidence that Newark Castle sounded like that, because they used to sound very similar. I don't know why, but I just don't like that alarm. Oh, another freighter. 7CO14. I'll get a video of the new alarm next, or the newer tone anyway. 7CO14 and... Up they go. I don't know why, but this side actually seems to be a lot quieter than the other side.